I finally found a mask that I really like, and I saw that it's easy to make with no sewing. And all you need is a long sleeve t-shirt. So I'm gonna take this long sleeve, take a pair of scissors, and I'm gonna cut it at the armpits. And then I'm gonna come to the bottom of the shirt, and then I'm going to probably cut a strip along the bottom of the shirt. And then I'm gonna go and then cut another 1-inch strip across again, the bottom of the shirt. If you have a rotary cutter, it's probably better to use that than a pair of scissors. But I don't have one, so I'm gonna use a pair of scissors to cut. Then I'm gonna cut the strip across the shirt at both ends. Have the 2 strips, and it's probably better for you to like pull them to make them even longer. But you want these strips to be about 20 inches, so you may want to measure them to about 20 inches. So I'm gonna get them both to be about the same length, about 20 inches. And again, you can pull these to make them even longer. I'm gonna pull both of these strips, cut. Now back to the sleeve. And the sleeve that I cut, the sleeve needs to be 16, 17 inches. Do about 17 inches. (16, 17 inches), that's all you need for the sleeve when you do that. And then you have the sleeve. You can take the 2 strips, and you probably want to put them in about 4 inches on both sides. So 4 inches on that side, and then 4. Then I'm gonna fold this in. Then I'm gonna fold this in. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take this in some more. And I want to try to tuck this in inside of this one. And then I'm gonna come up here and tie the top. Now after you get your mask and you tie up the top, just to do that first, then you are ready to put it on. And make sure you have these sleeves tucked in. I usually put the bigger side inside a smaller one. And now I'm just gonna take the mask. Take the mask, and I'm going to put it right here on top of my head, and I'm going to fold these, then go around the back of the neck. Then you just tie it on, get a nice snug fit. You made a mask. You can always adjust it, tighten it, get it right. Alright, that's it. I'm out. Until next time.